y'all. Okay, so this is the cutouts of the backpack. So you're going to have two separate pieces for the front and for the back. And these are your straps. These are the side pockets, so you need two, one for each side. Or if you don't want pockets at all, you don't have to cut this out. And then this will be the little pouch on the front. And again, if you don't want this, don't cut it out. So let's put it together. You know, let's do the little side pockets first. So it has the fold lines, and you're just gonna fold where you scored. Remember, if you're cutting this with your Cricut, you have to change the lines to score, or it'll cut and it'll just be all jacked up. So you'll end up with your two pockets that go on the side of the box. And so next, we're going to do the pouch that goes on the front. And again, just fold where it's scored. So it's gonna go like this. So you can just put your adhesive here and here. Now we're going to do the backpack. Again, score where, what am I saying? Fold where you score. Okay, so after you have everything folded, you're gonna glue it together, and it's gonna look like this. So this side goes here, that side goes there. Now, you can use whatever adhesive you like. I think I'm gonna use my tape. And it's no correct order to put the pouch on, since it's flat, you can really put it on at any point. Y'all, I got glue on it. Can you see that? Alright, or we'll let this be the front. And then you'll just put the pouch on. And now we're gonna put the side pockets on. And I like to put this part where you glued it, I like to put that facing the box so you really can't see it. It just makes it look cleaner. Now I'm gonna use my glue gun for this part though. And we're just gonna stick it on. So after we put the pockets on, we're gonna put the straps on the box. And so I just like to do a little curve like this to see where I want them. I'm gonna put them like that. And then just a dab of glue. This is it. This is your box. Pockets on the side, a little pouch that goes here. You got your straps. This little part. And y'all, it's a lot of space in the box actually. When you open it up and look in the inside, there's plenty of space to put things in there. So I think this is so cute. This file is available on my website to download. You can purchase and do what you want with it. My website is craftingwithmeekllc.com.